In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Shopify Admin Dashboard. Shopify's Admin Dashboard is the heart of your online store management. It's where all the magic happens. Whether you're looking to manage your products, track orders, or customize your store, knowing how to quickly and easily access this dashboard is crucial. To get started, let's talk about navigating to the correct page. The first step is to open your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer using. Once you have your browser open, you'll want to head over to the Shopify website. In the URL bar at the top of your browser window, simply type in shopify.com and hit enter. This is going to bring you directly to the Shopify homepage. Once you're there, look for the Login button, typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login screen for all Shopify accounts. Now, it's time to input your store name, plus the email and password associated with your Shopify account. If you happen to forget your password, don't worry. There's usually an option right below the login fields to reset it, so just follow the prompts if needed. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to the Shopify Admin Dashboard. This is essentially your command center. From here, you can handle a variety of tasks. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a vertical menu bar that's filled with different categories such as home, orders, products, and customers, among others. Each of these sections allows you to directly control various aspects of your online store. For instance, by clicking on products, you'll be able to add new items to your store, manage existing inventory, and organize products using collections or tags. You'll also want to take a look at the Home tab. This section provides you with an overview of your store's recent activity, key data metrics, and important updates from Shopify. It's a great place to check first thing in the morning or after being away for a while just to get up to speed with how things are going. One pro tip: don't forget that you can customize parts of your dashboard. For example, some of the tiles in the Home section can be rearranged or removed to suit your personal workflow. This little bit of customization can help streamline your daily activities. So, that's how you access the Shopify Admin Dashboard. As the central hub of your store, it's essential to familiarize yourself with its features and layout to efficiently manage and grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.